This student wanted to make sure the professor knew he was paying attention, so he brought the loudest possible way to take notes. It sounds like a construction site in there, and the whole class is trying not to lose it. He acts completely unbothered even when the teacher stops the lecture. He finally apologizes and says he'll go grab his laptop instead. But watch what happens right when he sits back down. He ignores the teacher completely and asks his neighbor for a fresh sheet of paper, just so he can keep the chaos going. You have to respect the audacity.